Hi, I'm Asif Ali.
I'm Puna Jagannathan and make the best chai even better than Sagar.
Crazy.
Watch this.
That's crazy. I'm Sagar, the one that she's talking about, and we're behind the bar with Tasty making chai.
And we're on a show called Deli Boys, season 2.
Let's do this.
All right, we're already
right.
fighting, which I love.
Sagar has chocolate milk like a white person.
No, don't hate on my idea.
I can't even.
No, it's because I don't use sugar in my chai, so I put a little bit of chocolate milk in there because you use milk already, and then chocolate has sugar in it. It adds a little thing.
All right.
Don't hate. And hey, shout out to Kolkata Chai.
Shout out to Kolkata Chai.
You can do chai without using any of it and just put the coconut chai mix.
We're not going to do
But
that
we're going
right
old
now.
school.
Yeah.
We're doing it legit.
Let's do your version first.
Okay, let's do it.
We're
Okay,
doing masala chai today.
fine. Let's get some boiling
we need
water
water.
going.
This is crazy that you can just plug in a pot.
Okay, we're doing Puna's version and then Sagar's chocolate milk version comes right after. So
I'm
Like
excited
that?
for it. I'm
Thank
excited for
you.
your chocolate milk version.
This is the enthusiasm I was looking for.
So it's 3 cups because it's 3 of
Jesus.
us.
So you're doing the andaza method.
Yeah, andaza. Just follow your heart.
All right, you want me to start
There you
crushing stuff up?
Okay,
Yeah,
yes.
because we can multitask.
Cut a little bit of ginger and don't be shy about
Yeah.
it.
How much of this do you want?
It's 2 each.
This is elaichi, also
Cardamom.
known as cardamom. So here
And
we
get
go.
a chunk. Like you can never go wrong in the ginger. Like get yourself a chunk.
Buy a whole ass
Yeah,
chunk.
you want kali mirchi?
Cinnamon?
Can you break this in
Yeah,
half?
let's cut this.
Yeah,
Let's
show us
break
your
this in
strength,
half.
show us your strength. Boom!
Even with the ginger, we could cut it into little pieces before we
Crush it up.
crush it up.
A
Make it
couple
easy
of
for us.
cloves, like I have 6 here.
Yeah.
Just put it in. And then
pepper?
very little black pepper. So put like 2 in, maybe 1 for 1 cup.
Mm-hmm.
But the trick is, this is a new trick I learned. The Bengalis put bay leaf. Bay leaf is usually much bigger, so I'd put 1 leaf in, but
These are
these are
babies.
small. And now
Okay.
crush it out.
And you use your significant upper body strength. Okay, questions
here
in.
we go.
Has the success of season 1 of Deli Boys
Gone to our heads.
changed how you approach your work? Do you feel there is more freedom to take certain risks?
100%. In this industry, there aren't necessarily right or wrong answers, but sometimes like they don't even know what they're looking for, the decision makers, and they see it when you show them.
Wow.
Damn, wow, that's amazing.
That's really cool.
So what he's saying is now you have enough money to take risks.
Yeah. I can afford to not get a job.
One of the main things about Indian tea is you put everything and let it boil at the same time. So
Yes.
add your milk. You want the tea the color of my skin, not Asif or Sagar's.
For this chai, you need to have Puna with you. Yes. Or just take a screenshot.
And then get a little bit of sugar. I don't do that much sugar.
Just a little.
How much sugar do you have, Asif?
I just do like a tablespoon.
A tablespoon?
If it's for 3 people, I mean, that's a giant pot.
Oh, yeah. You know, 1 teaspoon per. And because
Yeah, my
it's
man
boiling.
said tablespoon
I said tablespoon.
for tea.
That is a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. Sound off in the comments. Is this a tablespoon?
It is
or
a
what?
tablespoon.
Get this in there.
All right, here we
By
go.
the way, my job is holding this table so it doesn't completely fall off.
And you're doing a great job.
Boom. Let's let it
I'm
rip.
excited.
Do you-
Now put
Puna.
everything in there. I can't. I'm so focused on making a better tea than Sagar.
I'll answer this question.
And you know what? I hope it is better than mine.
Thank you.
Do you remember the first way you ever made money? In general? I will give you the arts version. I did this stand-up comedy competition at the
amazing.
University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, and I won. And I won $150, and I still have it framed on my wall.
That's all. You didn't cash it right away?
No.
The first way that I made money was when I was in 6th grade. I went to Sam's Club with my dad for the first time, and I saw that a box of Airheads cost
We did the same
$5.
thing, yeah.
So I bought the box of Airheads, and then I went to school the next day, middle school, 6th grade. Shout out A-Leaf Middle
We did
School,
the same
AMS.
thing.
And I filled one pocket with a bunch of Airheads, and I'd sell them for $1 each.
Yep, we did the same
I
exact
sold
thing.
them for $1 each. People would give me 4 quarters.
This is a hustle.
I'd make like $25 off of 1 box. Then I'd go and I'd buy 6 boxes with that $25, and I did this whole thing all over again. Yeah, dude.
My
Coming back to
first
chai.
job where I made money was actually in advertising at the age of 14. I did consumer research, man on the
Yeah.
street research, and I continued that career till the age of 43. Okay, so this, you know, everyone has heard of edging sexually.
Yes.
But you have to edge your tea.
You have to
which
edge the chai,
means
yeah.
It needs to boil,
Right at the edge.
and then you need to bring it down. And then it goes to boil, and then you gotta bring it down.
But
And you
please,
boil,
I'm begging you.
and then you gotta bring it down. And that's when you know. Oh my God, we
Yeah, I was
forgot to
gonna
put
wonder
the tea
when are
in.
you gonna put the tea in, Puna?
Yeah, very
Ah.
important, very important.
You know?
And I actually put my tea leaves in last
Oh, really?
because it's a irritant to the stomach, so I like to just have a little bit of tea. Okay, I'm gonna put 3, 1 per cup, okay?
3.
Here we go, here we go. Who's the best cook out of the 3 of you?
Sagar.
What's the
Sagar,
signature
Sagar,
dish?
Sagar.
Sagar. Mine's tea. We're
Unanimous.
making it.
Yeah, I'm really good at breakfast, but that's about it.
I do really good lamb chops.
So cool.
Something easy, dal chawal. Over COVID, I learned how to make nihari. I could do like a Kadahai chicken. An easy pizza.
What's an easy pizza?
Just, you got bread, you got cheese, and you got some ragu.
What kind of bread are we talking about?
You can make pizza on any bread. That's the beauty of
I didn't
pizza.
know that. I didn't clock that.
You ever go to Subway and just ask them to make you a pizza?
No.
They'll do it.
The hell? How much time were you spending at Subway?
My brother used to work there.
There you go.
And Sagar's family owns like a deli.
Yeah.
All right, now we're doing Sagar's way.
Watch season 2 of Deli Boys, or I swear this will be the end of you.
This is what my mother used to hit me with
This
as
is a threat.
child.
This is a threat in a South Asian home.
What are you making? Okay, cinnamon,
then,
cardamom,
lychee.
very
Some-
similar to my situation.
These are pretty basic ingredients, Puna.
Okay.
What is this? So you can buy it in like pre-contained things,
close.
but it always
yeah,
tastes
yeah,
better
put
if you do the little extra effort
Yeah, just
of smashing it up. Plus you get aggression out,
3 quarts.
which in this day and age is very important.
Oh,
Careful,
and he
dude,
cuts
careful.
like a South Asian, like
Yeah.
this, towards your thumb.
No chef would ever recommend that.
Yeah.
But he's doing it. Okay, here we go. If the 3 of you actually ran an illegal operation in real life, who is the most likely to get caught and why?
Definitely would be
Porno.
me. Definitely be me.
Because they would ask Porno like, hey.
Okay, watch the edging.
Look at the edging, look at the edging, look at this, look at this. You blow on it, you blow
You
on
blow
it.
on it?
You blow on it, you blow on it. You make it bag, you make it bag.
And then it just keeps going down.
It wants to erupt and you go, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
No, we're not turning up. We're gonna edge again.
We're edging again.
Yeah.
How dare you interrupt the edging process? How dare you never
edging
bring in a
again.
third when you're edging. It's too late, it makes things complicated.
The trick to pouring is you have to have intense follow through. So you have to imagine your tea in the cup. Here we go.
We're okay. That's Hulu's problem.
Yeah.
Hey, make sure you spill it on more towels.
Follow through. And look at that one-handed move right there. Unbelievable. This is all the mess in your life. It's all caught in there.
If you cook one dish, make it chai. in
Make
the
it
morning.
chai.
It's not a dish.
It's a dish. It's a meal.
Cheers.
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 It's too hot. My tongue is sensitive.
Ooh.
Is it good?
Mama like is what I say every morning. I say mama like.
Oh, that's so hot.
Yeah, it's so hot.
I'm not going to be able to taste anything for the next 3 days.
Oh wow, it's so good.
Good
It is
job.
good.
Good
It is
job,
good.
us.
Yeah. Good job. We did it.
Did we answer the question?
Oh,
We did.
Yeah, we did. Porno. She would get caught.
What was the question?
because If
Who'd
we
get
were
caught?
all running an illegal operation, which one of us would get caught first? It would be her because one, she doesn't want to run anywhere, and I feel like if you're doing something illegal, you have to run at some
No
point.
running, just sleeping.
And
She'd be the
Lazy.
first to turn herself in, that's for sure.
Yeah, at some point she would just be like,
Conscience.
yeah, you just tell the truth.
If you could do something illegal and get away with it, what would you do?
Make billionaires pay taxes.
I'd go to a high-end clothing store and take their clothes.
That's what you would do?
Like a Gucci, Chanel, YSL. I'd like to go into
that's pretty
YSL.
good. I'd probably, rob a bank, and then I'd go shopping. That one. Then I'd have money left over.
Very smart. Okay, next up.
Okay, here we go.
Sagar, next up.
That feels like 1.
Yep.
That's good enough for 2. And you know what? Let's just do that.
Yeah.
Come
we
on,
got it.
it's
We
a
got
party.
it.
It's a party.
That's a lot, by the way.
So let's take some out,
Yeah. That's
and
it.
we can put it back in.
Sagar, take us through what you put.
Yeah.
Some cardamom, couple of cloves,
Yes.
cinnamon, and some ginger. That's it. So we gotta wait for that to boil first.
Then we put regular milk and then chocolate milk, or just chocolate milk?
It's gonna be like 75-25, but I'll put them in at the same time.
Okay, here we go. Do you have a dream role or type of character you'd like to play? Mine is actually Lucky. It is such a dream that I could have never manifested or dreamt of this role. This role is just, it's everything I've ever wanted for my career. I don't know, it's the best gig in the world.
And we love working with you because you're the best. I think it'd be really cool if they made a biopic of No Doubt.
Oh yeah, Tony.
I'm probably aged out, but that would be so cool.
I want to do a Zayn Malik biopic. That'd be so cool, right?
14 years old?
No. I mean, it would
What
be
is
like
the CGI
it would-
budget
no,
on
no,
this?
No, I mean, I'm done.
He's not even Sagar's age yet.
Wow. You see how they treat me?
Okay, take us through your process here. What's
Oh,
happening
actually, you
here?
know
I'm
what I would like to
confused.
do? You know that guy, that JP Morgan guy? I want to play that guy in a movie.
What guy?
The JP Morgan guy who accused his boss of making him a sex slave.
Oh yeah, I remember that. You
That would
know
be
what
sick.
Asif should
That would
play
be
is
fun. I would love to
Cash
do that.
Patel.
That'd be sick. I would love to do that. When did you learn how to do this, by the way?
A lot of years ago.
And this is a thing you've introduced in your family and they love it too?
No.
Oh, okay.
They
You're
would,
the only person
they
that
would
likes
judge
it.
me the way you guys judge me. I've done this for a lot of parties. People love it.
Okay, I'm open.
Okay, I'm open to it.
I'm
People
open
love
to
it.
my mind. You want to put the
guess-
tea leaves
You
in?
want to put the tea?
I want to put this one in.
This guy?
You want to
Yeah.
put tea bags in? You put tea bags in your stuff?
Yeah. So let's get this open, yeah? And then we'll put like, let's put 4 in there.
We're gonna be awake for a month.
We're gonna do one like that, we're gonna do one like that.
Oh, you get
Okay.
ring around the rosy kind of
Yeah.
deal. Okay, 4 for a big
Yeah.
day.
And then let's
add this stuff.
Favorite and least favorite fictional South Asian characters and why?
I'm just gonna go with favorite. Abid from Community.
Love, yeah.
Great one. Horna's character, Never Have Ever.
Yeah.
That healed a lot for me.
Did it really?
Yeah.
You never told me
It
that.
was nice. I think it did for a lot of people because they saw like a version of their mom or something like that.
A more present version, more vulnerable version.
Yeah, maybe a more vulnerable, communicative version.
Ooh, Miss Marvel.
That's also a great one too.
Beautiful one.
What, Mowgli?
Oh damn, we're going that far back.
Mowgli, yeah, dude, we're going everywhere.
Yeah, we're going that far back. Mowgli.
He's one of us, dude.
I'd say Irfan Khan in Life of Pi. That moment at the end where
Come
he
on.
has like that speech.
Come on.
That's an all-timer, baby.
Irfan Khan in anything.
You hurry the up. Everyone's about to leave this party, dude. We gotta hurry up. They're all getting their car keys. Guys, wait. There's chocolate milk
And then
chai.
they're gonna be like, yeah, Soccer's didn't taste that good. And it's gonna be like, because I was rushed,
Yeah.
you know?
Do you need to edge your tea?
Do you have to
Yeah.
edge your tea? Yeah, okay. Let's edge it. Let's edge it.
Yeah.
Put the
takes a
cap
little
on
bit.
it for a
Oh, yeah,
second.
keep the cap on it.
The cap
Okay, great.
induces edging.
We're good.
Can you share season 2 spoilers with no context?
I can. Ali Seti Kawali.
Ooh, that's good.
Watch this.
Shave.
Yeah, braces.
Big reveal. These two like you've never seen them before and never want to again.
I think we're at a little bit of an edge right now.
Let me see. Open it.
No.
Ooh, was there any drama on set between you guys?
They wanted.
They wanted
They
it.
wanted.
Hey,
It's-
they
it
wanted it.
became a reality show, but we were like, we're gonna stick together.
I will say our greatest strength on this show is that we are all tight as
Watch
hell.
this.
So you couldn't. New move just dropped.
Yeah.
That's 3. We're
Come
tight as
on.
hell.
Yeah.
Mira.
Mira.
There's a restaurant called Mira in
1,000.
Chicago. It's my dream and how I grew up, which is I grew up in Arizona, so it was Mexican food and Indian food's all I ate, or Desi food all I ate. And this guy created the combination of my 2 dreams, which is South Asian food and Mexican food into one. Remember we ate so much?
We
that
ate so
couldn't
much,
even,
yeah.
I couldn't even see anymore.
And guys, there's a new restaurant opening by the same guy called Mohajer, and it's opening in Chicago at the end of May.
so make sure you go.
We killed
did.
the food scene in Chicago, and Ali Nihari's we went to all the time.
Go to Devon. If you're
Yeah.
in Chicago, go to Devon Street, go to Hyderabad House.
Should I just
Has the
call
best
it?
chai
Should I call it?
in the world. It's so close to edging. Hey, when's the last time you guys edged?
I'm edging right
He's
now.
edging right now, and that's the right answer, guys. You gotta listen to it
Yeah,
sometimes too.
let's take a
Let's listen to it.
No edging yet.
Oh, it's edging a little bit right now. It's edging a little bit
I
right
see
now.
it.
Ooh, what a
Remove the lid and
nasty.
blow on it.
1, 2, 3. Make a wish.
Let's take your tea bags out.
You
Mush
gotta,
them on
you
the
gotta-
side.
you gotta go like this. Can I see a spoon? And you gotta push through.
And that's how you get every little drop out. You need it. Look at this skill. Here we go.
Remember, follow through.
Oh,
Watch
yeah.
this. That's it.
Oh, yes.
Cheers.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Two.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To season
Chocolate
2.
milk.
It's really hot.
It was edging too recently. What would you pay for Puna's chai? Pornos, I would pay, it's artisanal, fresh ingredients. That increases the price. And you're making small batch.
Here's the thing, right?
Yeah.
Chai is not supposed to be expensive.
And it's not supposed to be small batch. There's supposed to be a guy sweating over a cauldron.
If I say $3 a cup, it's not coming as an insult.
It's for the people.
It is
Chai
for
is
the
for the
people.
people.
And $3 a cup is like
It's
even
absurd.
crazy.
It's
And
crazy. Like we
also,
pay $1 a cup.
In New York, there was a place called the Horde Deli, which was the best chai, but all the taxi cab drivers
That's how you
would
know it's
stop
legit.
there.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, I do kind of like it.
I would
you
do-
could have put more chocolate milk.
Exactly.
I think we
Put-
scared you out of putting more
You
chocolate
really
milk.
did.
I'm
You
sorry.
really did. It's okay. It's all right.
For those of you at home, add more chocolate milk.
Yeah.
It is good. It is actually really good.
Yeah, no, not for me. Thank you, Tasty, for having us.
Watch Deli Boys on Hulu and Hulu for Disney Plus.
Right now. Right now.
It's out
You made the
now.
chai. Go. Get out of here.
Edge and watch it.
It's so hot.